Hey little artists! Welcome to Toddlers Art Hub. Today, we are going to draw and color a cute jar filled with hearts. It's super easy and fun. Welcome to Toddlers Art Hub. Let's start by drawing the jar using a black marker. Draw a large oval shape for the top, then connect it with two curved lines going down. Now, close the bottom with another oval to complete the jar shape. Now, let's fill the jar with love. Draw 4 cute hearts inside the jar. 1 at the top, 1 at the bottom, and 2 in the middle. But wait! Some hearts are flying out. Let's draw 3 more hearts coming out from the jar to make it look magical. Now, let's draw the cap. Sketch an open jar lid on top, slightly tilted. Add some details like curved lines and shading to make it look real. Great job, everyone! Now, let's trace the entire drawing again to make the outline bold and sharp. This will make our drawing pop. Doesn't it look amazing? Yay! Now comes the best part, coloring. Let's bring our drawing to life with bright and happy colors. Rose red color. Wow! Pink color. Blue color. Indigo color. Purple color. Light blue color. Awesome! Our jar of hearts is now complete. Whoa! You did an amazing job. If you had fun drawing with us, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fun and easy drawing tutorials. See you next time, little artists. Bye-bye. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.